Med spas are sitting on million-dollar booking calendars and losing leads to voicemail box. Here's the AI demo that gets you in the door. What's up? It's Dar. Med spas are one of my favorite niches to pitch right now. Is it niches? Niches? I'm never sure about that. But look, they are high ticket, low tech, and the owners already know they're bleeding leads on Instagram DMs, missed calls, on their website. So instead of cold pitching them, I'm going to show you how to run my DemoDrop system on a real med spa's website live so you can see exactly what shows up when a prospect opens this up. Okay, watch this. The DemoDrop system scrapes the med spa's actual website. It builds a mini knowledge base of it and then generates a simulated version of their own website with an AI chat and an AI voice on it. So the owner isn't watching me talk to them about AI. They are personally chatting with an AI agent that already knows their treatments, their pricing, their booking process, and it feels like it's already a part of their team. I'm going to go ahead and ask it exactly what a new lead might ask the med spa. All right, so here's a med spa. I don't know who these people are. I'm just using them as an example. I found their website. I just typed in med spa near me. They don't have a web chat widget on their website. So sure enough, this is a great prospect. I've put them in as a test. So I've got the real prospect business name and their real website, but I have me and here is a fake contact so I can run this test and show you the way we would talk to the real contact. As I've put them in here, the system has identified that they have no web chat on their website. So if I go here to site data, it says no chat. What that's done is it's put them in the opportunity pipeline right here as a real lead, kind of low-hanging fruit. They want to engage with people, but they don't have any web chat. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to call after hours to see if they have after hours answering. And sure enough, it goes to voicemail. So we know they have no after hours answering of any meaningful kind that engages with people. The next thing we're going to do, now we're armed with the information. They don't have web chat. They're ghosting leads on their website, and they're ghosting people who call after hours on weekends. So then we're going to reach out, our first reach out to say, hey, you've had people who are actively trying to engage with you and you're ghosting them and they're going to your competitors. We've built this AI agent for you. Now, if you don't get them the first day, you're going to call and follow up until you do reach them and they're going to say, yeah, send it over. And so you're going to drag it over here to send AI mockup. Once you drag it to send AI mockup, you're going to go here into the contact. And as you can see, every action has been kept up with. The lead got imported into the pipeline. It's been identified as no after hours. Oh, look, our AI agent just got sent right there. The demo just got sent. No after hours answering. First call, reach out. Second call, reach out. And then build the AI mockup. And the system builds it for you. So let's have a look. It says, hey, Dar, or in this case, hey, Jill, hey, Sue, whoever the owner is of the prospect. As promised, here's your AI demo for your business. We're going to click it as if they would be clicking it. And this is what they experience. They experience a branded for my agency, Biz Dominance, or your agency. Meet your AI employee, chat with it, talk with it, role play, a real customer conversation for you right now. And so here's their business. Now they're going to see something that they won't see on their regular website. Here's their regular website. There's no engagement. Here's their website, and here's their AI agent that we just made for them in literally 10 seconds. So let's click to open it and check it out as if they would check it out. And here we go. By the way, this is my first time to call a med spa. I'll act like I probably do need a little work. Here we go.
Hi, thanks for calling Glow Med Spa. My name is Emma. How can I help you?
Hey, Emma, I'm feeling like I need a little work. I'm getting a little up there in age and my skin is starting to get a little soft. And I'm just curious to know what you can do to help older men.
Absolutely, I hear you. Glow Med Spa offers treatments like hydrofacial, RF microneedling, Botox, and laser hair removal, all of which can help improve skin texture, firmness, and overall appearance for men as well. Are you interested in learning more about a specific treatment, or would you like a recommendation based on your concerns?
So I know what Botox is, and that last one, whatever it was you said, but what were the first two items that you said? The needling and something else?
Sure thing. The first two were hydrofacial and RF microneedling. Hydrofacial deeply cleanses, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin, leaving it smoother and brighter. RF microneedling uses tiny needles and radiofrequency energy to stimulate collagen, which helps tighten and firm up the skin. Would you like more details on either of those?
Oh yeah, the second one with the needles and the firming of the skin.
Got it, the RF microneedling. It combines tiny needles with radio frequency energy to create micro injuries in your skin, which kickstarts your body's natural collagen production. Over time, this helps tighten and firm up areas that feel soft or saggy. Most people notice results after a few sessions, and there's minimal downtime. Would you like to know what a typical session feels like? Or are you curious?
I would. Yes. What does a session feel like?
Great question. Before the session, a numbing cream is applied to keep you comfortable. During treatment, most people describe the feeling as a light prickling or a quick warm sensation, kind of like a rubber band snap. It's usually very tolerable, and the settings can be adjusted for your comfort. Afterward, your skin might feel a little warm or look slightly red, but that usually fades within a day or so. Would you like to talk about scheduling a consultation to see if it's a good fit for you?
Yeah, I'll do that. But before I do that, how much does this cost?
Makes sense to ask. Pricing can vary depending on the area treated and the number of sessions you might need. Would you like a ballpark estimate for a specific area, like the face? Or are you thinking
Yeah,
about multiple areas?
let's talk about the face, just ballpark.
Sure thing. For RF microneedling on the face, most sessions range from about $300 to $600 each, depending on your specific needs and the number of treatments recommended. If you'd like, I can have a team member give you a more personalized quote during your consultation. Would you like to go ahead and set up a time to come in?
Let's do that. But really quick, before we set up that time, on average, how many sessions does someone do for their face?
Most people start with 3 to 4 sessions, spaced about a month apart, to see noticeable results. After that, some choose occasional maintenance treatments. Ready to look at dates for your consultation?
Yeah, let's look at some dates.
All right, what's a good date and time that works for you in the next day or two?
Actually, in the next day or two, I'm having surgery, so I can't do it in the next day or two, but maybe next week or the week after. I'm good like Thursday or Friday afternoons.
Thanks for letting me know. Wishing you a smooth surgery and recovery. For your consultation, would you prefer Thursday or Friday afternoon next week, or should we look at the week after that?
Let's go the week after that, and we'll do Friday afternoon.
Sounds good. So that would be Friday, August 8th in the afternoon. Do you have a specific time in mind, or should I note you down as flexible that afternoon?
I'm flexible, just anytime after 3 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll note you as flexible for Friday, August 8th, anytime after 3 p.m. To get you set up, can I get your first and last name, please?
Yeah, it's Dar Holdsworth.
Thanks, Dar. Just to confirm, is Holdsworth spelled Holdsworth? And could I get the best phone number to reach you?
That is the correct spelling. The best phone number would be 561
Great. So I have Dar Holdsworth, and your phone number is 561-785-9980. Would you also like to provide an email for appointment details, or is phone best for you?
Phone is best. One other question. Do you have any specials?
Thanks for letting me know. I don't have the latest specials on hand, but our team often runs promotions and can share current offers during your consultation. Is there anything else you'd like to ask about before we wrap up?
No, that's it. I look forward to it.
We appreciate you contacting MEDSPA. Our team will follow up soon. Thanks for trying out the custom demo, and have a great evening.
You're not getting all that from this. This is why people need AI employees. Now, by the way, you can also do a chat, right? So if we chat via live chat, we can come in here and do the same thing. If they want to see what it would be like to just have a chat with an AI, conversational AI. Hey, Dar, I'm Emma with GoHighLevel. How can I help you? I'll just say, I'm wanting to book a consultation. Great, Dar. I'd be happy to help with that. What's a good date and time that works for you in the next day or two? Right. So you can see, just as the prospect would see, the AI agent knows everything about their business, or most things about their business, and can have a voice conversation, and it can also have a conversational text, SMS, live chat conversation. And finally, what did they say that needling thing cost? I don't know. What was like $300 to $600 per session. Let's say on the low end, it was $300 per session. She said, I think 3 or 4 sessions, say it's 300 times 4, that's $1,200. Each customer is worth a few $100 to $1,000 to maybe a few $1,000. Don't you think that it is absolutely worth it for them to pay you $497 a month, $597 a month, even $997 per month for this service? Even if it helps them just capture one new prospect, or it helps them capture one new lead. But the thing is, it's going to help them capture a whole lot more. The ROI is an absolute no-brainer. You see, this is the moment it clicks for them. They realize that every one of these conversations that their real website never has is a client who's walking to the med spa down the street instead of using them. This is why we lead with value, not with a pitch. The outbound message is simple. Hey, we noticed you're missing leads who are actively looking to spend money with you, and they're getting ghosted, and then they move on to your competitors. So we built you an AI front office for your business that engages with every lead, increasing your chances of making rather than losing that sale. Is there any reason you wouldn't want to see it? What's the best email? I'm going to send it over to you. And there's an on-demand version too. An agency, like you, like me, can run ads straight to a page where any prospect drops in their own website URL and gets this demo generated instantly for them. No outreach needed. If you want the DemoDrop system that builds both versions, I provide it free to my HighLevel agency and pro affiliates. You can start your 30-day free trial of HighLevel. The link is below. Also, hey, comment MEDSPA if this is the niche you're already going after or thinking about going after. And if it's not, what is the niche that you're planning on? Drop it below and let me know. Also, any questions you've got, any comments, drop those below. If this video has been valuable to you at all, I'd appreciate you giving it a like and go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. I'd love to have you here as a part of the family. Take care. I'll see you on the next video.